Aqua Regia is a mixture formed when 3 parts of concentrated HCl is made to react with 1 part of concentrated HNO3. This reaction yields the following product: nitrosyl chloride, water, along with 2 atomic form of chlorine. Now this atomic form of chlorine is very reactive, and this can react with noble metals like platinum and gold, thereby forming compounds such as gold 3 chloride and platinum 4 chloride. This particular method is used in metallurgical processes, as well as it is used by jewelers to process and prepare gold and platinum ornaments. Now a question comes, can Aqua Regia be stored? No, Aqua Regia cannot be stored. The main reason is decomposition. Aqua Regia decomposes over time and therefore loses its value as a mixture. Second reason for not storing Aqua Regia is due to its toxic nature. This chemical mixture is a highly corrosive and toxic substance, and therefore it is not stored. It is generally advisable to prepare Aqua Regia in small amount as per the use and necessity, and to discard off any amount which has been prepared in excess. That's a brief account about Aqua Regia. I'll see you tomorrow with a fresh topic on another video. Till then, talk to the subject, walk towards knowledge, and never do nothing. Thank you very much.